Type 3. Type 3 questions. Overall question is number 5. Okay, this question is very interesting questions. Very, very important questions. Okay. Write down the questions. A certain sum of money invested at a certain rate of interest for 2 years. Time is given 2 years. Okay. Now the condition is if the rate of interest by 5%, the rate of interest increases by 5%, it would first 480 rupees. 480 rupees. 400 more as a side. Okay. Question is what should be the principal? Okay, this is the question. So time starts. We observe for 30 seconds. I'll explain you. Okay, now time is over. And find out we can solve this problem 2 methods. The first is fundamental method. The first is fundamental method. Let principal be principal be P R1 rate 1, that is R1. Okay. Time is 2 years. Okay, so we can find out the first case. Okay, the principal with P, rate is R1 and P is the first case. Okay. The second case is the first case. Second case, principal is P. Okay. R2 is equal to R1 plus 5%. Time also 2 years. So in first, so what should the SI1? P into T into R1 by 100. Time is equal to, so that is equal to PR1 by 50. This is the equation 1. Okay, then SI2 P into R2 कितना है? R1 plus 5% by 100. That means P whole into R1 plus 5 by 50. This is equation 2. So according to question, SI2 minus SI1 is equal to 400 rupees more. That means the difference between SI2 and SI1 is 480 rupees. So apply this formula. Apply the value. SI2 का value कितना है? P into R1 plus 5 by 50 is equal to PR1 by minus 50 is equal to 480. So LCM is 50. Open the bracket. PR1 plus 5P minus PR1 is equal to 480. Yes or no? Now PR1 cancel. 5P by 50. This is P by 10. P by 10 is equal to 480. So P is how much? 480 into 10. That is equal to, okay. This is the, so the principal is 4,800 rupees. Okay. Understand? Now we apply the shortcut method. Look at the again. Let's explain again. Principal BP rate is equal to R1 times 2 years. So the SI1 should be this much. PR by 100. That is PR1 by 50. This is the equation 1. Again, the SI2 principal is constant, time is constant, rate is R1 plus 5 by 100 is equal to this much. So according to question, the difference between SI2 and SI1 is equal to 480 rupees. So putting the formula here, this minus this is equal to this. So we can find that P is equal to 4,800 rupees. Okay. So apply the shortcut formula. 10 सेकंड में हो जाएगा. Only second, 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds. Okay. So according to P, how much? SI into 100 by P into I. Okay. So here is तो P इज इक्वल टू SI का वैल्यू कितना है, डिफरेंट इन SI into 100 divided by time is given, rate means difference in rate. Okay, now after the formula different in SI means 480 rupees into 100 by time 2 years, and different rate how much, time is how much, time is how much, 2 years, 2 years, then different rate is 5. Okay, 2 5 is 10, answer that is 4,000. Okay, I think you all understand this formula. It's a very easiest formula and take only 10 seconds. So दोस्तों देखिए प्रिंसिपल पूछ रहा है, asking the principal means SI into 100 into time into R. Without SI, time and R, we cannot find the principal. So here is the SI is given in the form of different in SI, and 100 is given. Time also directly given 2 years, and rate of interest is given in the different in rate. So you get the, okay, thank you. We come again with new questions in the next video. Okay, my dear students, you should not forget to subscribe and like this channel. So kindly like and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you again.